episode of Chasing Mysteries Gardens. I'm Rebecca, and along with my wife Karen, we are on a mission to renovate and rejuvenate our little piece of earth. Today is garden building day. We got a 8 by 12 raised garden bed that we have to put together. It is currently in 11 different boxes in the garage, and we are going to put it in this grassy area, if you can see that, on the lawn. I'm really excited. Our dirt is coming next week, so we will be able to fill it and then fill it with all kinds of vegetables and flowers. And I need to get this thing built because some of our little winter sowing plants are getting a little too big for their containers, so we need to get these in the ground. So come along with us on this adventure as we put together our giant garden bed.
See, the lawn looks nice, but I had to go over it. It still clumps all over the place. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
These are kind of heavy. So these are all the bottom pieces. And then there's a whole bunch of boxes that are the top pieces. I'm going to wait to bring them out until we're ready for them.
Apollo, what are you doing? Let's go inside. Come on. Come on. Where are you going? Oh, you can see him. You can see what's in here.
And these are long, and they're short ones right here. So it's a critter guard.
Whoa! We found the instructions. Let's get to work. How's it going?
Okay, got it all together.
Was it pretty easy?
Yeah, once I knew where to put everything, it was pretty easy. So it didn't take too long. It's easier than I thought it was going to be.
So now what are you doing? Just trimming the
Edge a little bit.
the black?
Yeah. It's too much.
This square is huge. How am I going to reach the middle?
Huh?
This square is huge.
Well, I don't know, you can reach the middle.
I don't know.
I'll help you.
We'll see.
So you can see the sun is still on this part a little bit right now. I do feel it's a little crooked, but it's hard. It depends on where you're standing in the yard. It doesn't matter.
It's gorgeous. So what time did we say it was? 3?
A little left.
So you can see that this side's already shaded. And that's shaded, and then this is still in the sun. So I'll have to plant sunnier things on this side.
So if you leave these here, you can put some solar lights.
What?
Yeah, on each corner.
Oh, what a great idea!
Yeah.
Yay! Or hanging flower pots. I do like this solar light idea. Karen is now taking the cardboard boxes that this came in and lining the bottom of it. It's supposed to rain this weekend, so the rain will make it wet.
Here comes Monday.
And the dirt comes Monday. Perfect. It's as if the company knew.
Well, it is the boxes that the wood came in, so they're
Yeah.
that size. So I'm going to staple these pieces on and then be done for now and clean up.
So she also stapled some of the black weed material where the cracks of the wood are, just to keep the dirt in. Yeah. So here in the center walkway area, we're going to put a line of bricks or stones here, and then we're going to fill it with wood chips as a walking path. And there you have it, one ginormous 8x12 raised garden bed that we can start planting as soon as the dirt comes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. And follow us as we grow our garden in our new garden bed this year. And as always, Sookie Sookie, love the earth, love yourself, love each other. Till next time. You want to